How to fix the WhatsApp account banned for spam error. This tutorial shows you how to submit an appeal and request your account to be reviewed. First, open any browser on your Android device. From there, search for WhatsApp Contact Us in the search bar and tap on the official WhatsApp support page from the results. After that, tap Contact Us on the page. At this point, you'll see a form with a few fields to fill in. Go through each one carefully. From here, enter your full name in the first field. Following this, enter your email address so WhatsApp can get back to you with a response. After that, in the description field, explain your situation clearly. Mention that you haven't violated any WhatsApp policies, that you haven't been sending spam, and that you believe your account was banned by mistake. From here, enter the phone number associated with your banned WhatsApp account, making sure to include your country code. At this point, double-check all the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct before submitting. Finally, tap Send to submit your request and wait for WhatsApp to review your case. A response will be sent to the email address you provided, so keep an eye on your inbox. Keep in mind that response times can vary, so be patient and avoid creating a new account in the meantime, as that could complicate the appeal process. That's how you appeal a WhatsApp ban. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.